In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Klaviyo. This tutorial is designed to provide you with a straightforward guide to seamlessly integrate your product catalog from your chosen e-commerce platform into Klaviyo, and how to incorporate these products into your marketing strategies effectively. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Klaviyo account. Head over to klaviyo.com and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the option labelled Integrations. Now you'll need to identify and select your specific e-commerce platform from the list provided. Klaviyo supports a variety of platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce and Magento, among others. This flexibility means you can always integrate the system that best suits your business needs. After selecting your platform, you'll be prompted with a series of on-screen instructions. Follow these carefully. The process involves connecting and authorizing Klaviyo to access your store's information. It's important to ensure that you grant the required permissions, as this will allow Klaviyo to automatically sync your product catalog seamlessly. When the integration is complete, Klaviyo will pull in all the relevant product details from your store. This includes essential information such as product images, titles, descriptions, and prices. It's crucial to verify that the synchronization has been fully executed. To do this, navigate to the Content section and select Products. Take a moment to browse through the catalog and confirm that all your products are listed accurately with their corresponding details. Once you've confirmed everything's in order, it's time to leverage these products in your marketing efforts by creating an email campaign or flow. So, let's move ahead. Navigate to the Campaigns section and click on Create Campaign. This is where you'll start building an effective email marketing campaign that showcases your products. Within the email editor interface, you'll find a range of blocks and elements that you can drag into your email layout. Specifically, look for the product block in the left panel. Click and drag it into your email template. This feature allows you to elegantly incorporate your products directly into your emails, making them more appealing to your audience. Next, choose your catalog and select the products you wish to feature in your email. It's all about displaying your products in a way that aligns with your campaign's goals. Finally, take this opportunity to customize the product display to match your brand's aesthetic. Play around with styles, layouts, and other design elements to ensure your emails look polished and professional. And that's it, you've successfully added your products to Klaviyo. Following these steps not only streamlines your product management, but also empowers you to drive engagement through targeted email marketing.